Hi, welcome to my sweet potato muffin recipe with Mason Kepley and Angelica Gonzalez. Be sure to get a screen grab of the recipe if you want more details. These are some of the ingredients we grabbed at a local Harris Teeter, including our holiday favorite, Glean. First, preheat your oven to 350. Next, in a large mixing bowl, add oil, 4 eggs, and finally, using an electric mixer, beat together the oil and egg for a couple minutes until combined and slightly thickened. Then add 1 cup sugar, 1 cup brown sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and lastly 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And finally, you're ready to beat to combine. We also added in 1 cup of sweet potato puree. This is how your mix should appear after combining. Finally, we added Glean, the star of the show and a flour alternative brand that donates a pound for pound purchase. After measuring out 2 cups of Glean sweet potato flour, we set the mixer to low and gradually added the flour to the mix. Next, we spoon the batter into the prepared pans lined with paper liners, filling the cups about 3/4 full. And with your oven set to 350, it was time to bake. And ta-da! After 20 minutes, you have your sweet potato muffins ready to eat. As a topping, we used maple marshmallow frosting, and I can tell you it looked beautiful underneath our Christmas tree. Baking has always been a friend and family tradition of mine, and is such a fun way to spend time with loved ones during the holiday season. What better way to celebrate than to give the gift of Glean not only to yourself, but to someone in need? Give the gift of Glean and have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from Mason and Angelica.